Hello, good evening. This is Manjuna. Today I am going to take the topic about H.C.F and L.C.M. So, what do you mean by H.C.F? Full form highest common factor, and this is L.C.M, lowest common multiple. What is H.C.F? H.C.F is nothing but the which divides two or more numbers. That is the greatest factor. That is called the highest common factor. For L.C.M, the least number which divides by each of the numbers given is the lowest common multiple. So if you take 25 and 40, you should know the factors of 25 and 40. So there are two ways to do this HCF and LCM. First we have to tell 25. So you have to find the factors. So 5 into 5, and you take 40. 40, 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So 5 into 5, find for highest common factor only have to select the common numbers. 5, 5. This is also 5 we can't take because the here 2 is there, and this 2 is not taken because only 2 is present. They should be on both the numbers. The number should be common, and then only we can take as HCF. So the HCF for this one will become HCF is 5. So this is the greatest common factor of these two numbers 25 and 40, which which divides two or more numbers, the 25 and 40. So you can do like this also, 25, 40. So you should start from the least even prime number, that is 2. This is odd number, so you can take 2. Then you take 3 also, it is not taken. 4, 5 you take. 5 5s are 5 5s are 5 8s are. Again you have to take 5. 5 1s are 8. So only one number is remaining, means you have to take directly that number only. So 5 into 5 5 and 8. 5 so here 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. So your remaining numbers is 5 and 8. So the two numbers should be divisible by 5. Then only you can take that as the HCF. Here 5 and 8 does not come in one table. So 5 and 8 is the last terms, but the HCF will become this number. Only which is divisible, no, that number will become the HCF. Like that you take another example, 56 32. 56 32. So you start from the 2, but 56 and 32, it comes in 8 table. So you can directly take which is the greatest number. 8. 8 7 are 56, 8 4 are 32. So remaining is 7 and 4. So we can't divide it again because 7 is prime number. If 1 is not prime number, means it does not divide by any number. So 7 and 4 is remaining the terms, and the HCF will become the 8. HCF is equal to 8. So HCF means the two numbers should be divisible by the greatest common factor, but the number should be divisible on both sides, this number and this number. If it is not, if it is present, one number is also present prime number, then it can be gone next step only. So it is stopped here only 8. So HCF will become 8. Then you take this is easy as numbers. This is 777 315 777 315 588. So big numbers, if it confuses. So what you do, the numbers will be always one multiple will be there. So 777 315 588. If you see this number correctly, 7, it is going in 7 table. Just check for this also. So 1 4 is 28, 3 remaining, 3 and 5 is 35, 7 5 is 35. So it is going. So this number also you have to take because 3 numbers should be has to be gone through the one table. So 7 you take, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Again you take next number, 7 4s are 28, and remaining 3, remainder 3 and 5 is 35, 7 5 are 35. You will take this number, 7 8s are 56, 58 is there, 7 9s will become 63. So you have to take 7 8s are 56, 2 remaining 28, 7 4s are 28. So 111, 45 and 84. So next you have to check for this. 9 table you take, 9 5s are coming, but 84 is not coming in 9 table. 111 is also not coming. So you check for the 5, this only number will come. The 3 numbers have to be taken for the common multiple number. So next you try for 15, it is also not coming. So you have to check like this. That is nearer to that prime numbers. 5, 7 also not going. So 11, this one is this one is this one also. So we can't forward it. We can't go further step. So HCF will become 7 only, because these three numbers should come in only one table. Then only you can do for the HCF. Then you go for LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So least common multiple, the least number which is divisible by each of the numbers. So the number should be divisible by this 18 and 32. That is given numbers. So this is method is different. See, 18, 32. So you start from the prime numbers 2, 3, 5 like that. If you closely observe this, it is two table only going. 2 nines are, because both are even numbers. If they both are even numbers and near to numbers, you can take 2 only. 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 12, 6 remaining. 9 and 16. Here we it is not coming one table, but we can proceed it further, because LCM is ladder only, and the least number should be common to know. So you have to take next multiple number. So you can take 9. 9 ones are 9, 16 remaining, because 9 and 16 is not coming in one table. So directly I have taken 9. For 16 you take 16 and 1. So what is the LCM means? This one 2 into 9, 18. 18 into 16. So you should know the tables, at least I don't know 20, 30 tables. For everything you should know the tables, because every what is the topic behind my maths, it needs tables. So 16 you take, 16 or 18 you can take. 16 8 is 128, 12 carry, 16 1 is 16 plus 12 288. So the number will be 16 8 is 128. So 12 carry, 16 is 16 plus 16 plus 12 is 28. So 288 is the LCM, final LCM. So for this method 18 and 32, you should go further to become the remainders should be 1 and 1. So up to that you have to take the step. If in this number the number should goes, the table should goes the both numbers. Here if it goes one number also okay, but here in this problem in this HCF we can't do like that. So the LCM and HCF it is the greatest common factor. This is the common multiple number which divides by these two numbers 18 and 32. Then you take example this one 18 36 27. 18 36 27. There will be not two numbers, there will be 3 or 4 numbers also. Maximum there will be 3 numbers only. So take an example both also. So when you gradually observe this, 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 1 6 9, 7 plus 2 9. So the number is multiple of 3 only, because the sum of the digits is multiple of 3 means that is divisible by 3. So we can take directly 3 only. 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3. This is 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So 6 12 9. Again you can reduce it by 3 only, because 3 2s are 3, 3 4s are 3 3s are. So you take again 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So you should not stop here. In this number you have to stop here only, because the 3 not coming in the same table. But in LCM you have to take further step up to the remainder to be 1. So you take 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are and 3. And next again 2 3 is remaining. 2 1 1 3 is remaining. Then 3 1 3 1 1. So LCM will be 3 into 3 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 3s are 108. So like this you have to do. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 into 6 108. So answer will be 108 for this. 18 36 27 is the LCM will be 108. Again I will tell 18 36 27. First you have to start from 2 only, but this is odd number, so we can take next number only. This is divisible, both the three tables comes in the table number 3. So 3 6 are 12, 18, 3 12 are 36, 3 9 are 27. Again you have to reduce by 3 only, because this is odd number, so we can't take 2. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Next 2 and 4 you have common, so you take 2 only. 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 as it is, because it is not divisible. So next number 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 3 is remaining, 3 out here, 3 1s are 3. So afterwards we have to multiply these numbers. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 3s are LCM is equal to 108. We take another example 105 195. So when there, I told you in the divisibility rules, when there is last number 5 and 0, then you can take 5 only. So 2 is not coming, it is both are odd numbers. 3 you can take, but 5 is the next number, so you can take 5 only. 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 3s are 15 45 39. So it is remaining 21 39. Then you can take 3 also, because both are in 3 tables. 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3 and 13. When there is both are prime numbers, that don't do for like this 7 1s are 7 13. It is understood level. Like you have to take, if there is prime numbers, you have to take directly that numbers. Means 5 into 3 into 7 into 13. So 5 into 3, both are prime numbers. So you can do like this also. 7 7 is 7, 13 as it, and again taking 13, 13 is the same. 7 into 13 is coming. So when there is both are prime numbers, or even if one number is also prime number, you have to multiply the 4 number also. 5 3 7 into 13. So 5 3s are 15 and 13 7s are 91. 5 3s are 15 and 7 13s are 91. So 15 table you can do it there. So reduce this steps as much as possible like this, because we can't do 15 into 7 105. Take two numbers here and take two numbers here. 15 into 91. Or else make the numbers actually in the tables of 30 only. 15 into 91. So you can do 15 table. 15 ones are 15. 1 carry. 15 nines are 135. 135 plus 1 is 1365. So 1365 is the LCM. So again we will teach this one. 105 195. So when there is, I told in divisibility rule, when there is 5 on the last digit, so you can take the table 5. 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 3s are 15, 4 remaining 45 take 5 9s are 45. Then 21 and 39. See, the 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 12. Both are multiple of 3 only. So you can take 3 also. So 3 3 7s are 21, 3 3 13s are 39. 7 is also prime number, 13 is also the prime number. So you can do further step as 7 1s are 13 that also, but don't do that. Directly you take 5 into 3 and remain that two prime numbers. 5 into 3 into 7 into 13. So here in this it is complicated when you are doing the multiplication. So we do two numbers separate only. 5 3s are 15 and 13 7s are 91. So 15 into 91. You know the 15 table. So 15 ones are 15, 1 carry, 9 are 135, plus 1 is 1365. So the LCM is the 1365. I think you got the idea through these three examples from H.C.F and L.C.M. Highest common factor and LCM is lowest common multiple. Some points you have to remember in this. You take which is the number which is the smallest even prime number. Even prime number. That is answer is 2. So 2 is this prime number and it is also even. So smallest, because after 2 nothing 4 6 they will not come under prime number. So 2 is the only even prime number. Then also you take which is neither composite, which is the number that is neither composite or neither composite number nor prime number. Prime number. That is answer is 1. 1 is neither prime, composite nor prime, because composite means it should have two factors. At least it more than 2 factors. But prime number 2 factors. It is only 1. So common factor is 1. So it is neither composite nor prime number. Then what do you mean by co-prime? Co-prime. Co-prime means the numbers which is the prime numbers, but which is divisible by only one factor of 1. So if you take 17 is also a prime number, and 19 it is also prime number. So both should have the prime numbers and their difference is not considered there. So co-prime means 17, 19. If you can take 17, 21, but we can't take 4, 5 because 4 is not a prime number. Co-prime means both should be prime number and both should be prime number, and the difference between them, no need of it. 4, 5 is not coming because 4 is not a prime number. This is about co-prime. In the other one is the twin prime. This is also same prime numbers only, but the twin prime means the twin is telling that 2 only. So the difference between these two numbers, these two prime numbers, if you take 59, 61. So 59 and 61. 59 is also a prime number and 61 is also a prime number. Difference is that both it is 2. So when there is difference will be 2, that is called twin prime. But co-prime means both should have common divisible as the one number and both should be prime number. Twin prime means it should be both should be prime numbers, but the difference should be 2 only. You can take 5, 7. This is also twin prime numbers because 5 is the prime number, 7 is the prime number, and the difference between them is 2. So twin prime means the difference between that two prime numbers should be 2. Then then one formula is for this L.C.M and H.C.F, and that's two numbers. So L.C.M into H.C.F is equal to product of given two numbers. Product of given two numbers. This is also most important. The number that numbers LCM and that numbers HCF with product is equal to product of given two numbers. If you take this only example, this is for co-prime and this is for twin prime. For this, there is an example. You take 18 and 63. 18, 63. So first find out the HCF. So 18 and 63 which table is going? It goes in 9 table only because 3 means 3 also going, but greatest common factor directly you take. So it is going in one table, which is the number should go in the one table only. So 9 2 is 18, 9 7 is 63. See here 2 is prime number, 7 is prime number. So we can't further do it. So only 9 will be the HCF. HCF will be 9. So LCS will be 9. For this only problem, you take LCM 1863. So 1863 means we can do 9 only. 9 2s are 18 and 9 7s are 63. So we are not stopping here. Again you got to make the numbers 1. So 2 1s are 2, 7. You take 7 1s are 7. So total will be 9 2s are 18, 18 7s are. LCM is equal to 9 into 2 into 7. So 9 2s are 18, 18 7s are 126. 18 7s are 18 7s are 126. So the formula is LCM into HCF is equal to product of given two numbers. So you check it for HCF 18 and 63. So the highest common factor is 9 only. 9 2s are and 7s are. Further we can't do because 2 and 7 is prime numbers and it's not coming in one table only. So HCF will be this number only 9. Here see 9 2s are 9 7s are 63. So 2 is remaining, 7 is remaining. Again we can't stop here because HCF we go through the remainder 1 only. So 2 1s are 2 7 as it. So take next number 7 7 1s are 7 7 1s are 7. So LCM will be 9 into 2 into 7. So 18 7s are 126. So 9 and 126 is the HCF and the LCM for this given numbers. So you should cross check it is making the formula correct or not. So you take numbers, which is the numbers 18 into 63. So numbers are 18 into 63 one side and the product of LCM and HCF. HCF is 9 and LCM is 126. So cross check it. 18 3s are 54. So 5 carry. 18 is 108. 108 plus 5 1134. 108 plus 5 1134. Here also check it 9 you can do easily. 9 6 are 54. 5 carry. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5 23. 2 carry. 9 is 9 11 34. So coming the same answer. This is also LHS and axes are becoming both same answer. So the formula is suitable for this. So LCM into HCF is equal to product of given two numbers. One more example you can take. 78,104. You can take 78,104. So 78 and 104. First you find the HCF for this 78,104. So you can take if you know the tables correctly, you can take directly 13 only, because 78 and 104 is coming in the 13 table. So you have to write like that, because 3 and down is up to 30. So 13 you take 13 13 is 13, 36 is 78. Here 13 is 104. So 6 8 remains. So 6 and 8 coming in the table 2. Both 2 3s are 2 4s are. So here only stop it, because 3 and 4 is not coming in one table. So this is stopped here. So 13 into 2, HCF will become 26. 26 is the HCF. For LCM 78,104. So you take 13 only. 13 is 78. 13 is 104. So 6 8. So further you can do 2 only. 2 3s are 2 4s are. We can't stop here because it is LCM. So you have to continue the problem. 3 1s are 3, 4 4 you take, 4 1s are 4. So 13 2s are 26, 26 are 51, 52 into 4. So 13 2s are 26, 26 into 12 you can do. It has 2 numbers. So you can multiply by 2, 12. 12 6 are 72, 7 carry. 12 2s are 24 plus 7, 31. So 312 is the LCM. Cross with the formula. See, HCF is 26 and LCM will be 312. Is equal to product of two numbers, that is 78 into 104. So you can check the 26 into 312 and 78 into 104. The answer will be coming same only. Answer will become same. So this formula you have to remember. LCF into HCF is equal to product of that two given numbers. So 78 and 104. I taken 36 is 78, 13 is 104. So 6 and 8 remaining. So you take 2. The two numbers will be gone. So 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Remaining 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is not coming in one table. And 3 is also prime number. If it is coming one prime number, so you have to leave it there only. So 13 2 is 26 will become the HCF. Then you take LCM. 13 6 is 78. 13 is 104. Then you take 2 3s are 2 4s are. Again we can't stop it because it is LCM. It is stopped here only. There is further steps. One is prime number, take directly 3 into 1, 3, 4 is remaining. 4 is 1. That is 13 into 26 and 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 into 26. 12 6 are 72. 7 carry. 12 2s are 24. 7 means 31. So 312. So write the numbers here. 78 into 104 one side, and one HCF is 26 and LCM is 312. So the answer will be become the same. So more number questions you can do it for this if you want to practice it. So you should main remember the difference between HCF and LCM. HCF is highest common factor, LCM is the lowest common multiple. Highest common factor means the number should be divisible on the both are, if there is 3 numbers, on 3 numbers also it should divide. In LCM you can't do like that. One number is also there, means you can further we can do this step for that. So that some points I told you have to remember and practice more number of rounds for this. So subscribe my channel. Thank you. My name is in the YouTube channel Manjuna Shivandi. So subscribe as much as possible and give likes for that. Thank you.